Guys, first and foremost, thank you for coming. I appreciate you guys coming to check out the unit. Very excited about the SB9090. This is our new flagship product. Okay, it's something Logic Controls has put a lot of effort into, and we really designed it off what we call user-driven innovations. The feedback we received from end users and resellers went in to design this unit. Just a little bit about Logic Controls Beamatech, just so you're aware. Logic Controls has been in business for over 25 years. Originally mainly known for pole displays, now we're into entire point-of-sale suites. Logic Controls is a Beamatech-owned company. Beamatech is the #1 point-of-sale manufacturer in all Latin and South America. The SB9090 is built off the same basic Logic Controls design. Our main product niche is that everything we make is a ventless, fanless unit. Okay, we incorporate the 1.6 gigahertz Atom processor. What that means for you guys is much lower power consumption. Okay, a quiet unit, no fans, no moving parts, so much stronger unit in terms of longevity, and just a lot of the problems associated with those moving parts. Now, if you look at the back of this unit, one thing I'll say, it's not the presentation. I'm really most proud about this unit. It's a beautiful unit. It really is a very aesthetically pleasing piece of hardware. Okay, this is what the customer sees. All metal base, very slim. This panel slides right off. Okay, very easy to use. You can see right here we have 4 USB ports, 2 COM ports, a separate COM port for the rear display. There's a separate RJ connection specifically for a cash drawer. We have a removable hard drive, very easy to image in service. So when you have these in the field, very easy to make your customers' lives a lot easier. Instead of taking their whole unit, just pop it into a hard drive. Very simple. You'll see that we have audio-visual cables right here. We have a VGA optional compact flash. It's not on this unit. Okay, this could also come with solid-state drives instead of the standard hard drive. Okay, so you have a lot of customization, which is standard for Logic Controls, while maintaining the very standard unit also for ease of use. Just pop this right back on. So that's how simple it is, and this is what your customer sees. The display rotates back and forth, up and down, depending on the customer's needs. The touchscreen. This touchscreen we have right here today, actually, backtrack 1 sec. Cable management. It's a hollow base, all aluminum. Okay, but all the cables run right through here, so you have a hole in the counter. There's no cables to be seen whatsoever. The screen we have today is a resistive, 5-wire resistive, which is standard for the Logic Controls products. However, we also have a projective capacitive touchscreen. Projective capacitive is a dual touch technology, so you can make boxes, you can widen, you can shrink, you can scroll. You turn your attention to the screen, Joseph will give you an example. You can zoom or even horizontal movement. You can move side to side. This technology is pretty much on the forefront. We're the only vendor here today that presents this technology. All right, and a lot of software companies have come to us and said, we're developing this. So it's really the next generation of touchscreen that you're going to see a lot in the field that Logic Controls is offering today. We talked about all this. I kind of skipped ahead. It's fine. Adjustable base. One thing I'll just mention that is not on the presentation, the no bevel touchscreen. Okay, very similar to what a lot of people are familiar with is the iPads or the iTouches or whatever. Makes it just a very sleek, sharp unit, a built-in MSR, optional fingerprint reader. It's not on this one, but it would go right here. Okay, very simple. And it's a sturdy unit. If you have a chance after the fact, after the presentation, please touch it. You'll feel it's very, very slightly warm. Okay, this unit's been running for 4 hours straight now. Never gets painful to the touch. It's very simple. But the all aluminum casing allows it to dissipate heat, which allows that Atom processor to function flawlessly, without the vents and the noise and the fans. Some other new products just for 2010 you guys should be aware of. The SmartBox SB8200, you see right over here. The SmartBox is one of our entry-level point-of-sale options. It's a 10-inch screen, built-in MSR, optional fingerprint reader. It's got, see the back, very similar concept with the cable management. The panel just flips up and flips down. Very easy to use. Very popular. This product's a live product. Okay, it's already been in the field. Very, very popular in boutiques, bars, trendy restaurants, and most importantly, any place where the customer wants to, or the business wants to have their employee looking directly at the customer, not having that big bulky terminal. The LCD poll display, one of the most popular products of the show today, it basically acts as a second monitor. It's a 1024 by 768 display. All right, connects either VGA or USB. Okay, and set up very, very simple setup. You're setting up just like any dual monitor system on a computer. You assign monitor 1, monitor 2, and you have your VGA display. Right? Some other new products. We have 12-inch, 15-inch, and 17-inch touchscreen monitors. Okay, very competitive. Very competitive. Very popular products. Very competitively priced in the market. So if you haven't checked those out, you should definitely talk to your distributor about touchscreen monitors.